All right, today I have an Apple Watch, and I'm going to show you how you can get to check your heart rate using an app, which it comes with the Apple Watch. All right, so I have my Apple Watch. It's on, it's charged, it's on my arm securely. In order to see my heart rate, there's an app that's actually in there that you can go to. You can sometimes, with the watch face, if you change it, you can actually put the function on the face to where you could just simply tap it. However, I'm going to take you through the menu, and I'm going to go ahead and press this side button right here, this knob. I pressed it, and then I'm just going to scroll on down, and I'm going to get to heart rate. And you see that right there? It says heart rate. This is the heart rate app. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And once it opens up, it says that it's measuring. So currently, it is measuring my heart rate, and the current heart rate is at 79 beats per minute. It gives 80 beats per minute 3 minutes ago where it detected it automatically. So it's on there. It's about 78 beats per minute. Let me scroll down to show you other things. And right here, it shows you the range of my heart rate for today. It goes between 54 beats per minute and 98 beats per minute. I'm going to take this and I'm going to scroll up. It goes, my resting beats per minute is at about 70 beats per minute for the heart rate. And then right here, my walking average beats per minute is about 90 beats per minute today. So it gives you options to where you could see what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and tap the eye feature right here. It's information. It says about walking heart rate. Your walking heart rate is the average heartbeats per minute measured by your Apple Watch during walks at a steady pace throughout the day. Like resting heart rate, a lower walking heart rate may indicate better heart health and cardiovascular fitness. Walking regularly has many health benefits, and you may see your walking heart rate lower over time by staying active, managing your weight, and reducing everyday stress. So that is about that. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. There's more information about resting heart rate. Resting heart rate, it says your resting heart rate is the average of heartbeats per minute measured when you've been inactive or relaxed for several minutes. A lower resting heart rate typically indicates better heart health and cardiovascular fitness. You may be able to lower your resting heart rate over time by staying active. Same thing that they said over on the other one. By staying active, managing your weight, and reducing everyday stress. Resting heart rate does not include your heart rate while you're asleep and is validated for users who are over age 18. So there's a lot of information about this that you'll want to read about within the user manual. But that's how you get to the app. I'm going to go back up. So it's right up here. Current 79 beats per minute. So that's how you get to measure your heart rate within an Apple Watch. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.